Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplying one digit number by a four digit numbers. Okay? Using area model. We are multiplying a four digit number by a one digit number. Okay? Because it has four digits, we have to make four boxes. 2345. So we will write it as 2340 and 5. So 2000 times 2 is 4000 because we are multiplying it by 2. 300 times 2. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 3 is 6. 40 times 2, 80. And 5 times 2, which is 10. Now we have to add all the numbers 4680 and then 10. 0, 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 and 4. So 2345 times 2 is 4690. Okay. Coming to the second example, 9213 times 3. Which is 9. Because we have four digit number, we are making four boxes. We are multiplying it by 3. 9213. We can write it as 10 plus 3 is 13. So 9000 times 3 is 27,000. 9 times 3 is 27 and 3 zeros. 200 times 3 is 600. 10 times 3 is 30. And 3 times 3 is 9. 27,639. You have to add all the boxes now. 9, 3, 6, 7 and 2. When you multiply 9213 times 3, we will get the answer as 27,639. Coming to the third example, 5167 times 6. We are multiplying it by 6. It's a four digit number. 5167. So 160 and then 7. 5000 times 6 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 100 times 6 is 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 60 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. And 7 times 6 is 42. Now we have to add all the boxes. 30,600, 360 and 42. When you add them, 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1, 3. The answer will be 31,002. 31,002. Okay. The fourth example, 3,712 times 7. In order to multiply that, we will do 3,700, 3,712. So 3,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 2. And now we are multiplying it by 7. 3,000 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3 is 21. 700 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 10 times 7. 0. 7 times 1 is 70. 2 times 7. 14. Okay. Now we have to add all the numbers. Writing the place values is very, very important. Be careful while you're writing. Okay. 70 and then 14. So 4. 7 plus 1 is 8, 9. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2. The final answer, when you multiply 3712 times 7, then what you will get? 25,984. Okay. The last example, 4319 times 9. For that, what we will do? We will multiply 4,000, will multiply place value 300, 10 and 9. 4319, we are writing it as 4310 plus 9 and we are multiplying it by 9. 4000 times 9 is 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. 300 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 9 is 90. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay. Then it is 36,000. 2790 and 81. Okay, 1. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2, 8 and 3. 38871. Okay, 38,871. I hope I gave you a clear idea about multiplying 4-digit numbers by a 1-digit number using area model. Thank you for watching.